Hey y'all, welcome back. This video today is going to be on my under-seat storage. What options you have, why I decided to go with the one I did versus the DIY. So y'all stay tuned. This ought to answer a couple questions. One of the questions I've had was, will the heat shield kit work with you having to get in your under storage? Of course, this model is not the limited, it's the deluxe. So it didn't come with under seat storage, it didn't come with under dash storage. The under dash storage, I released a video on it. It's really handy, and you can put things under that dash in the netting that you won't have to go to under this seat. Now, I actually bought the plate that everybody puts. I got the right size door to do the DIY cutout where you can slide an ammo box back in here. But even after I bought it, the more I used this one, I decided I could probably get just as much stuff stacking it up. And honestly, everything that's stored in there is something I need in case of emergency. So basically all that's in there is my air compressor, my tire plug kit, and extra spotlight so if we're tracking deer at night. That's it. So my seat. So the pros to it is I think you can get more stuff and stack it up, but it has to be, it fits right in. The heat shield kit works with it. It's great. The cons to it is there's really, you have to take the seat off. That's really the only headache to it. So I'll show you how this thing goes on, show you what you have to remove, and how it goes in. Okay. Okay, now with this, it really, you know the seats come off pretty easy, which I have the heat shield kit, but it pulls right over and you can fold it right up. Now this kit is not bad at all to put in. When you get your Pioneer, there's actually just a rubber piece that goes around there that has this push pin, that push pin, that push pin, and that's it. So this kit, which I'll put the link in the description below, but this kit by itself, all you do is take that loose, slide that down in there, and then it comes with a pin here, and there's another one right here and right here. That kind of helps it from side to side, and then you reuse the pins. Of course, mine's through the DI heat shield kit, but I've got a tire kit, a spotlight, and an air compressor in there. But the point is I can get just as much stuff in here, if not more, than what I could if I cut this whole panel out and have it for an ammo box. Well, actually on the front. So that's just my opinion. It's very easy. Like I said, I'll put a description of this, the link and everything in the description below. But this has served me really good, and it has been on for 2 years, as y'all know. It's in before my YouTube channel, so we're going on 2 years, but that's my underseat storage. Well, this wasn't a long video. I wish that I had it out to show you how it goes in, but it's real simple. Pull your pins, pull the seat, pull your pins, set them to the side, pull the rubber piece off. It's a great big hole. Then when you put you get the kit, the underseat storage, and that's a genuine Honda. I think Kenmoto has some too, Kenimoto or something like that. But I'll put a link to it too. But when you go in, you just turn it, it pops in and slides back in place because there's a bar on one side, so it just kind of pops right in. And it comes with the supplied pins that you need to go in the sides that it has. And then you just put the top back on. So I'll link everything. Leave me a comment below. It's a real quick video, but it's another accessory that has come in pretty handy. I don't use it that much, but when I do, it's usually an emergency or I've got to have something out there, so I only keep stuff I'm not going to use every day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Got some more videos coming on the Pioneer. And maybe we can do a complete list of the accessories I have on it. And we have the 1 year coming up in August, or the 3-year video coming in August. Going to tell you everything that went down with this machine, service, recalls, the whole 9 yards. So thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.